Get ready for the dictation on the count of 3, 2, 1, start. Indian culture and traditions play a significant role in shaping the identity of India and its people. India is a country that is known for its rich and diverse cultural heritage, which is deeply rooted in its history, religion, and traditions. These cultural traditions have been passed down through generations and continue to influence the way of life and thinking of the Indian people. One of the most significant aspects of Indian culture is its diversity. India is a land of multiple religions, languages, and customs. Each region and community in India has its unique traditions and customs, which contribute to the overall cultural fabric of the country. For instance, the Hindu tradition of Diwali, which is celebrated all over India, has different regional customs and rituals that make it unique to each region. The Indian culture is deeply influenced by its religion, with Hinduism being the dominant religion, followed by a significant minority of Muslims, Christians, Sikhs, Buddhists, and Jains. The religious practices and beliefs are integral to the Indian way of life, and they have an impact on various aspects of society, including art, music, literature, and festivals. In addition to the religion, Indian culture also places great emphasis on family values and traditions. Family ties are strong in India, and the elders are respected and revered for their wisdom and experience. The joint family system, where several generations live together, is still prevalent in many parts of India. Indian art, music, and literature are also an integral part of its culture. Indian classical music and dance have a rich history and are revered for their complexity and beauty. The Indian literacy tradition is vast and diverse, ranging from ancient epics such as the Ramayana and Mahabharata to modern literature that reflects the changing times. Overall, Indian culture and traditions play a significant role in defining the identity of India and its people. They provide a sense of belonging and community to the people, and they continue to be a source of inspiration and pride for the country. Indian culture and traditions have played an important role in shaping the social, political, and economic landscape of India. They have influenced the country's history and played a significant role in its struggles for independence and modernization. One of the key ways that Indian culture and traditions have shaped the country is through the concept of dharma. Dharma is a central tenet of Hinduism, which encourages people to fulfill their duty or role in life. This concept of dharma has been extended to the larger society, and it has helped to shape the social order and caste system in India. The caste system, which is based on the idea of dharma, has been a controversial aspect of Indian culture. It has been a source of social inequality and discrimination, but it has also helped to provide structure and stability to society. The Indian government has taken steps to address these issues, but the caste system continues to be an important part of Indian culture and traditions. Indian culture and traditions have also had a significant impact on the country's political landscape. The Indian independence movement, which was led by figures such as Mahatma Gandhi, was heavily influenced by Indian culture and traditions. Gandhi's ideas of non-violence, civil disobedience, and self-reliance were rooted in Indian traditions and beliefs. Even after India gained independence, Indian culture and traditions continued to influence the country's political landscape. India's constitution, for example, reflects the diversity and pluralistic nature of Indian culture. It recognizes the importance of religion, language, and culture, and it provides for affirmative action to address historical inequalities. Indian culture and traditions have also had a significant impact on the country's economic development. Indian businesses, particularly those in the service sector, have embraced traditional practices such as yoga and meditation as a way to promote employee well-being and productivity. Traditional practices such as Ayurveda have also gained popularity as a form of alternative medicine. Indian culture and traditions have also played a significant role in shaping the country's education system. The ancient Indian education system, which was centered around the Gurukul system, emphasized the importance of learning and knowledge. This tradition has been carried forward in modern India, where education is highly valued and there is a growing emphasis on science, technology, engineering, and mathematics STEM education. In recent years, Indian culture and traditions have also become an important part of the global cultural landscape. Indian cuisine, music, and movies are popular around the world and they have helped to promote Indian culture and traditions. The Indian diaspora, which is spread across the world, has also helped to promote Indian culture and traditions and has played an important role in connecting India to the rest of the world. In conclusion, Indian culture and traditions have played a vital role in shaping the identity of India and its people. They have influenced the country's history, politics, economy, and education system. Indian culture and traditions continue to be an important source of inspiration and pride for the country and its people, and they will continue to shape the country's future.